I'm Alex, and today I'll be showing you how easy it is to install a GROHE wall holder for your hand shower. It sounds complicated, but it isn't. First, let's take a look at the parts you'll need. We won't need the screws today. Of course, it doesn't hurt to take a look at the installation manual, but you can watch the installation video instead. To attach your new wall holder to the wall, all you need is a spirit level and a screwdriver and 2 packs of this mounting glue. So, let's get started. First of all, prepare the bracket. Put the mounting plate on the holder and screw them together with the corresponding screws. Now slide the chrome handhead holder on the bracket. Before attaching the holder to the wall, clean the surface that will be glued with the cleaning wipe. Now, remove the foil from the wall holder, open the first glue tube, and apply the glue to one side like so. And then a second time. Then align the wall holder with a spirit level and affix to the wall. Make sure that the larger of the 2 openings for the hand shower is facing upwards. Now leave the glue to harden for 24 hours. Done! That was easy, wasn't it? If necessary, the mounting plate can be easily removed again. This is done by loosening the mounting plate with a scraper or pliers and then cleaning the glued area. And that's it!